Hey everyone, if you have an old iPod or an old iPhone and you want to get music from that device onto your computer, you might find it difficult if you have not purchased music through the iTunes store, even if you purchase the music legally by, let's say, buying a CD and ripping the music to listen to on your mobile device. So, there's a way to get around this with third-party software. First, we'll go into the device just to show that this is not easy to do manually. So if we open up our file folder with our iPod in it, we open up our internal storage, we don't see any music, any pictures or anything, nothing. Okay, so the solution to this that I found is this Dr Fone toolkit. Okay, the Dr Fone toolkit comes with a free version or a subscription version. Either or, it should work. So I would say go to download the free version first to try it out. Save the data file, run it with just the default settings, and then open it up. Okay, so we're just going to open it. I already installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. Okay, the software works really well. I haven't found any issues with any bloatware or anything that seems malicious. You'll probably get an ad down here advertising itself. So when you open the software, there's the ad. Open the software, you get a lot of different options here. So we're mostly interested in the phone manager, transfer data between your phone and your computer. So we're going to click on that. Okay, it's going to tell us to connect our device. So I just turn it on and unlock it. And then plug it in again. Okay, there it goes. All right, so it's connecting. It's connected. Easy peasy. Okay, so we have some more options on this page. If we just go to the transfer iTunes media to the device, we get this option where we can select our library and transfer. Now, it's not working on this screen right now at the moment, but the first time I started this up, it gave me the option to download things. And then it told me that I have to pay to download more than like 5 or 10 songs per month or something like that. So we're not going to do this. Instead, we're going to go into the File Explorer option up here. And here we see all the files on our device. The music is hidden in the iTunes Control music file. Okay, so here's your music. It's in all of these folders. Distributed, only about 16 songs at a time, and all given these odd names. Okay, these names are all coded. Okay, so what we're going to do is simply just literally just copy. We're going to select a different one. Copy, Control-C, and then take this over to a folder you want to distribute your music into. So here's my music folder, and then Control-V, and it literally just copies the music, the file folder in. And so as you can see here, we have the files with the code names on them, but we also have all the metadata associated with this file too. So even though the file name has some strange code, we still have the names of the artists and the album titles and the song titles all still with the file. Okay, so it's literally that easy. You just hit OK. You can copy and paste things directly out of your folder as long as you're okay with it having a different file name, which should be just fine. That's it. All right, thanks for watching.